The EZ2 is an integrated benchtop solvent evaporator which may be used to concentrate, dry or lyophilize samples in parallel. The EZ2 will accept anything from 2 500 ml round-bottomed flasks to 8 shallow well microtiter plates. To concentrate or evaporate a sample to dryness, the traditional method has been to boil the sample. Boiling uses heat energy to convert liquid to vapor, which appears as bubbles. The problem with regular boiling is that it may damage the sample. Genevac have perfected a system that rapidly concentrates the sample without causing damage. The sample still boils, but it boils at a low temperature, preserving the sample. Low temperature boiling is achieved by reducing the pressure in the evaporator. Reducing the pressure reduces the boiling point of a liquid. Water boils at 100 degrees centigrade at atmospheric pressure. At 6 millibars, water boils at 0 degrees. Reduce the pressure still further, and water will boil below zero, creating a freeze dryer. The temperature of a boiling liquid cannot increase above its boiling point and is therefore very stable. With just a vacuum, bubbles would still develop in the sample, whatever the set temperature. Bubbles in a tube will force liquid out. To prevent samples boiling over, a centrifuge is used to create a pressure gradient in the tube and ensure that the sample boils at the surface of the liquid. Because Genevac's evaporators can handle multiple samples, the effects of boiling over or bumping would be catastrophic. Genevac's dry pure system is used to control bumping and eliminate its effects. The patented dry pure system applies a high G-force at over 500 times gravity to the samples. At the same time, the pressure is slowly reduced so as to carefully control the boiling process. All Genevac evaporators are equipped with technology to directly monitor and control the temperature of the samples inside the system, ensuring samples are not exposed to harmful temperatures. The pressure inside the evaporator is accurately controlled at all times so as to optimize performance and ensure efficient collection of the solvent vapor in the cold trap. The cold trap recovers and condenses the solvent vapor, preventing harmful emissions. Solvents can then be disposed of appropriately, leaving you with the perfect sample. The EZ2 is a compact integrated evaporation system. The samples are spun in the centrifuge, and as they boil, vapors are drawn to the cold trap, which condenses them. A vacuum is created by a robust oil-free solvent-resistant vacuum pump. The system is operated via the simple controls. Your local Genevac representative can help you optimize and load new or updated methods to your system. All EZ2 models are resistant to most organic acids, including TFA. Special models exist which are resistant to concentrated hydrochloric acid and, for the EZ2 Plus, concentrated nitric acid. Using the EZ2 is simple. Place the samples into the appropriate sample holder, load it into the system, close the lid, and set the maximum safe temperature for your samples. Select the appropriate method and hit Start. The system will evaporate the samples automatically, leaving the operator free to do other things. Dry pure, pressure and temperature are all accurately controlled by the system, stopping automatically when the samples are dry. When the system stops, open the lid and remove your samples, not forgetting to empty the cold trap. The system took 55 minutes to evaporate 12 tubes containing 40 milliliters of toluene. The EZ2 Elite operates like other EZ2 systems, but is equipped with an oil-free Genevac scroll pump, enabling it to reach much lower vacuum levels. Therefore, high boiling point solvents like DMSO may be evaporated, which is not possible on other EZ2 models. The EZ2 Elite also has an auto-draining cold trap which enhances solvent recovery when evaporating mixtures. This also enables the use of the lyospeed methodology developed by Genevac for fast lyophilization of HPLC fractions. The lyospeed method evaporates the volatile organic solvents in the HPLC fractions, then concentrates some of the water, only lyophilizing the last few milliliters. This is much faster than traditional freeze drying, and the EZ2 overcomes any risk of solvent bumping. If you need to concentrate rather than dry your samples, then the standard methods can be optimized by your local Genevac representative. In some cases, the addition of a solvent keep is necessary to ensure that the samples remain wet. The evaporation method is set to evaporate the more volatile solvent, leaving the keep solvent behind. Alternatively, if using a larger volume, Sample Genie may be used with a concentration adapter. Sample Genie enables a large volume to be concentrated directly into a vial of your choice. The design of Sample Genie means that the vial is insulated from heat, and therefore only the solvent in the flask dries. More details of all the Genevac concentration methods and technology can be found on the website. Application white papers can also be accessed here. To evaluate the EZ2 in your laboratory, contact Genevac today.